Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create 3 layers video editing using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then we can click on new project. Okay, and since we want to edit video, we can choose video paste. All right, and I'm going to add black background from the VN stocks. I'm going to go to the stocks, and then I'm going to choose this black background. Okay, and then I'm going to change the ratio. For example, I'm going to choose this 9:16 ratio. Okay, now the ratio has been changed, and now it's time to add our video to this project. We can go to the BIP menu and select photos or videos, and I'm just going to choose a video from my download folder. Okay, for the first video, I'm going to add this one guys. Okay, and then I'm going to zoom in, and you can arrange the videos here. Okay, the first video has been edited, and then I'm going to add second video. We can go to the BIP again and select video. For the second video, I'm going to add this one. Alright, and we can arrange the layer like this. You can zoom in or zoom out. Okay, and I'm going to add third video. I'm going to pick a random video from my gallery. For example, this one. Alright, and I'm just going to place it right here. Okay, now it's done guys. 3 videos have been added to my project, and you can adjust the duration right here, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, and then you can continue the editing. You can add tags or maybe music or sticker. It's up to you. And once you're ready to save it, you can click on this icon. And I'm just going to remove the ending. Okay, and this is the final result. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create 3 layers video editing with VN. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.